lives in Belarus. So say my common people, the truth in conflict by the dew on the grass and the round dance of ancient stars.
We are the TRANSITUS choir of the Parish of St. Francis in Minsk, Republic of Belarus. We live in the capital of our country, the city of Minsk. The symbol and coat of arms of Minsk is the image of the Ascension of the Virgin Mary. According to legend, an icon depicting the Ascension of the Virgin Mary floated down the river.
Our choir lives and works in the young parish of St. Francis, where there are many children and young families. In 2023, our church was consecrated and active work began.
Our choir is an amateur mixed choir, with 44 members.
We sing religious, historical, folk and classical music.
At church service, participate in religions and circular competitions.
Accompany diplomatic meetings with singing and give solo concert.
We preserve the ancient traditions of our people. We shoot music videos.
It is an honor for us to take part in the Catholic Music Awards project. Join the groups on social networks, Catholic Music Awards, TRANSITUS Choir, St. Francis Parish. On July 26 and 27, follow the social networks, website and TV station of the Catholic Music Awards. The results of the competition will be broadcast.